Every year at the end of September, I dig on my lederhosen, stock up on some good German beer, and try out a bunch of new recipes so I can share them with you for Oktoberfest. So what do you say we whip up some crispy potato pancakes that have a tasty twist to them? Here we have some potatoes and onion that we peeled and grated. To that, we add a Granny Smith apple that we prepared the same way. This goes into a strainer, and with the back of a spoon, we squeeze out as much of the moisture as possible. That's the key to crispy potato pancakes. This goes into a bowl, and we mix it with an egg, flour, baking powder, a little cinnamon, and some salt. All that's left to do is pan fry these until they're golden on both sides. It doesn't get any easier. And the apple adds a touch of sweetness that makes these really stand out. So if you're looking for something special to serve for Oktoberfest, or as the perfect anytime go along, then why don't you visit our website and print out the recipe for our crispy apple potato pancakes. Maybe serve them with some sour cream and let the party begin. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today I found my lederhosen and a crispy old world way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.